What's up guys, I am Mariovid, and in this tutorial I will show you unlimited runes in the Elden Ring. It is farm where you get in 5 seconds many runes, practically unlimited, and I will show you step by step how to do it. It is only for offline, and you may leave like and subscribe, and let's go. So look at this. We have link in the description to the program, and I will show you here how to open it. So it is the mod. You need to write Elden Ring here, and later you click on the play game, and here you have option like also immortality, unlimited stamina and others, and here you have option like edit runes. You will get many runes in a few seconds. As you can see, 1 million runes in fast time. Here you will get more runes for every killed beast, every killed enemy. And I will show you now my inventory. Oh, as you can see, it are my runes. Also, as you can see, it's working. It's working, and I may kill enemy, but I need to take unlimited. Yep. Okay. Do not die here. We are going after him. Get over here. Okay, never mind. He is so hard, unbelievable. I have shitty sword. Okay. One hit. Kill. Yes. Okay, I did. Come on. I did it. It's working, by the way, but here is the problem. I have too many runes, I think. Okay, and that's all in this video. So we may get many runes in 1 minute 10 millions. By the way, game look incredible. It's very cool looking. I have too many runes, that's why it is. Okay, and that's all. That's all in this video. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others. Wow. Like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks. Bye. Goodness. Okay. Bye.